In this problem, number 12, we have this rectangle and inside we have two semicircles. And you have to find out the area of this shaded part. Okay. And here it is given to you. This length is 20 meters and this length is 7 meters. Now it is evident from the figure that if I call this rectangle ABCD, okay, and if I call the center of this circle to be P and the center of this circle to be Q, it is evident from this figure that the area of the shaded part is area of the rectangle minus area of this semicircle minus area of this semicircle. It is very evident from the figure. The only question is how to find out the area, the various areas, that is area of the rectangle and area of these two semicircles. So first of all, area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is very clear. It is length into breadth. Length is given to you, breadth is given to you. You can find out the area. Let us write down the area. Area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth. Length is AB, breadth is BC. Length is given to be 20 and breadth is given to be 7. So this is 140 meter square. This is the area of the rectangle. Now we shall proceed to find out the area of this semicircle and area of this semicircle. What you must note here, that this length here is given to be as 7 meters. That means this is the diameter of this semicircle. This 7 meter is the diameter of this semicircle. It is definitely the breadth of the rectangle, but it is also the diameter of this semicircle. And you know the radius is half of the diameter. So therefore, this length here must be 7 by 2, which is 3.5 meters, right? So radius, and similarly here also, the radius of this semicircle will be 3.5. That means whatever area that I find for this semicircle, it will be the same for this semicircle. That means area of this semicircle and this semicircle will be equal. So we'll find area of one semicircle and multiply it by 2 simply. So let us first find out the area of the semicircle with center Q. Area of the semicircle. Let's note down the radius first. Radius of the semicircle with center Q, say R, is equal to 7 by 2, which is 3.5 meters. Okay. So area of the semicircle with center Q is the same as area of the semicircle with center P is equal to half pi R square. Now let's put the values. Half pi. Now R, better to take 7 by 2 instead of 3.5. You can take 3.5 also. Better always to use fractional values. So now we put the value of pi also here. Half into 22 by 7. 7 by 2 whole square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Cancel this. So you get 77 by 4. What is the unit? Meter square. Okay. So if one area of one semicircle here is 77 by 4, that means area of both the semicircles will be 2 into 7 by 4. So we'll write area of both the semicircles is equal to 2 into area of this one semicircle we have found out, 77 by 4. Now you cancel. You get 77 by 2 meter square. Hence, what is the area of the shaded part? Area of the rectangle minus area of both the semicircles. Area of the shaded part is equal to area of the rectangle ABCD minus area of both the semicircles. Area of rectangle ABCD, we have found this out to be 140 meters square. So we have 140 minus an area of both the semicircles we just found out here to be 77 by 2. So we put 77 by 2. So this is 140. Now you can convert this to decimal also for sake of calculation, for the ease of calculation. So this is 3 and this is 8, 38.5. And 140 minus 38.5 will be, I think, 101.5 meter square. So that is your required area. Anyone who could not understand any step,